everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys the Walgreens ad preview. Sorry I've been slacking for the last couple weeks. I have been extremely busy, especially on Wednesdays, and by the time I get a chance to do this video, it's not worth it. So here is the deals of the week. They do have the Scott's paper towels and Kleenexes for buy one get one 50% off. So basically you would get two of them for $7.50. That's was it $3? No, $3.75 I think is what it is. But you guys might be able to find some digital coupons or instant printable coupons out there to see if you can find anything. We got the Purex 3 for $6. So that comes out to be just $2 a piece if you guys need to go with that. They got Colgate Toothpaste, $2.99. We are getting 50% off coupons. So you guys want to use two of those, you would pay $4.98. You get a $5 register reward, making them absolutely free. We got the General Mills cereal on sale for $1.99. You guys will get a, it looks like we're getting a $1 off of 2 digital coupons. So you guys can basically get 2 boxes of cereal for $2.98 or just $1.49 a piece. And there might be a deal in Savings Star, so you can go ahead and get some deals like that. They do have soda 3 for $9.99. That basically comes out to be just $3.33 a piece. Now they're gonna start having the treat of the week. So if you guys are having cravings, definitely go ahead and get some treats of the week. So we got Butterfingers, $1.99. So I always like to stock up on candy just for the fun of it. So my daughter is next to me, so I'm just giving you guys a heads up if you see movement. Here we got the cosmetics. They're buy two get the third free, and the beauty event does start the 17th, I think is when it is. The 17th. So next week on the 17th is when the beauty event starts. We got the 10 times everyday points. So you guys will get 100 points for every dollar you spend times 10. So everything you spend over $20. So just give you guys a heads up with that. Not much else popping out. They got, you know, Tide for $2.99 after a digital coupon. We're getting some deals on Halloween candy. We got Kit Kat bars, Reese's Pieces for 88 cents. The other Reese's are 2 for $7. That's $3.50 a piece. Okay, you guys, sorry, my daughter was being silly. We do have the Snapple 2 for $2, which is a pretty good deal if you guys are craving some Snapple. That's $1 a bottle. I've been craving some Snapple, so I might look at that. Gatorade 3 for $3. That comes out to be $1 a piece if you guys need to get some drinks. Not much else popping out for like the frozen treats or anything like that. They do have canned Chef Boyardee or snack packs for $1. It looks like Hunt sauce is also included. And then Lindsay olives, those are usually $1.99. So you get them for like $1, $2 for 2 of them is usually what it was. It's been a long time since I've gotten olives there. Candy, nothing really popping out. Tic Tacs and Trident are 2 for $2. Or there's originals, there's going to be a digital coupon for $1 off of 2, making these $1.50 a piece. Like I said, more candy deals, Halloween stuff. Yes, I want to get this Minion right here. He's only $10.99 and it's a Walgreens exclusive, so I think he is pretty cool to add to my Minion collection. Here we got some cleaning products. Febreze is 2 for $6. There's going to be a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Plus, I don't know when the one we got from our inserts ends, but we got that. Palmolive is $1.49 after a 50-cent off coupon. Pitchers are 10 cents a piece if you guys order a minimum of 100 of them. So, yes. Whole blends, 2 for $7. We're getting a 3 off of 2, making them $2 a piece. Not the greatest deal. Shea Moisture, they're going to be buy one get one 50% off. We are getting a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. The L'Oreal Elvive is 2 for $8. There's going to be a $1 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens app. Plus there is a 3 off of 2 coupon that we're getting, or digital coupon, making them $2 a piece. Again, not the greatest deal. Here's makeup. Buy 2 get the 3rd free. So hopefully you guys can get some of those Revlon coupons. Now here is some Secret deodorant and Secret body wash. You get a $4 register reward when you buy 4. Dove, $4.99. You're getting a 5 off of 4 digital coupon. We got Axe spray body wash, $3.99, and then when you spend $20 or more, you get a $5 register reward. So yes, Crest is $4, and then when you buy 3, you'll get a $5 register reward. Most likely there's going to be a digital coupon. Either they're going to become free or like 50 cents a piece. So we'll have to wait and see what we get for that. Stay Free is buy one get one 50% off. There's going to be a 3 off a 2 digital coupon off Playtex, Stay Free, and Carefree. I also had a $6 off coupon, so make sure you guys can check and see what you got for that. I rarely ever buy feminine products at Walgreens. It's rare. A lot of medicines, buy one get one free. Hold on, Alexa's talking. Sorry you guys, it's my alarm to tell me that my kid's going to school. And then that's pretty much it. Nothing really popping out. It's going to be kind of a slow week, I think, at Walgreens, but maybe, you know, there's some deals that pop off. It looks like Aleve is going to be $6.49 plus a $4 off coupon, so that might be a good deal. We will have to check and see what is going on, but just wanted to share with you guys on that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.